Okay, here's how to revamp the curb appeal of your house for really, really cheap. We'll show some examples of this too. So what we come across this year, we've done a bunch of different front doors. So we've done those, and a lot of the customers, that's all the scope of work was. It was just the front door. And what we realized was, man, the impact that changing a front door from stain to paint or restaining a front door to bring that life back into the wood, doing a color pop or sticking with a neutral color doesn't matter, but having that front door refreshed changed the whole look of this house. And you can have front doors done for a fraction of what it costs to paint the entire exterior of your home. So if you guys want to bring some new fresh curb appeal to your home, or you're getting ready to sell it and you want to say, hey, I want the buyers to be able to stop, I want when they pass this to think, hey, I want to stop there and check this out, check out and look into having your front door painted. Maybe do a color pop to really catch somebody's eye and change the complete exterior curb appeal of your house for really, really cheap.